Hey friends, ZenKahuna here. I'm going to show you a kneeling bottoms up press. If you don't know how to do a bottoms up press yet, don't start doing this one. Look at my video where I show doing it as standing and then come back and practice this one. This is a little bit different when you're down here because of your weight distribution and your connections. You want to be connected again all the way around and down from the earth moving upward. So we're going to clean it. We want to be nice and close and then take it as straight up and down all the way, bring this elbow down as we can. What we don't want is to have this arm out here so that underneath that kettlebell there's nothing but elbow. We want it to be here so that we've got this underneath rather than this. Let's take a look at it. So from here, take it straight up, straight down. Now I'm going to show you the wrong way. Out here, oh God, it is harder, but not better. Because what you're doing is you're overloading the anterior deltoid. So what you want to do is be back here where you're really getting many more muscles able to engage, so you're protecting your shoulders and strengthening them while doing the movement. Let's do it again. And that's what you want. All right, so I showed you the bottoms up press kneeling. Let's take another look at it, sort of an in-between, so you can do it standing, which is the easiest, then seated, and then you can get down and do it in a kneeling position. So taking it from here, move your kettlebell forward, so you got a little swing back. So you want to be in nice and close. Keep it nice and close so everything, this bottom's going straight up each time. Coming down in the same line. Now you saw that I went up and down fairly slow, coming down even slower, because it will give your muscles more time to feel each of the different positions. So that as you're coming down, you can really stay engaged all the way through and connect in. So I'm connected through my sits bones, through my feet, I'm connected all the way through. That's what you want to do. Now one more tip. If you're not used to doing this, notice how close that kettlebell is to this face. This kettlebell is much, much stronger than my bones of my face. So when you're learning, don't hesitate to keep a hand here just in case you lose your grip. The other possibility is just drop it back this way. Feel it starting to go, just move your hand back so you drop your kettlebell this way instead of smashing the bones of your face.